Gearheads, welcome back. Today we're checking out a beast of a tool, the Gisam 520N.M brushless electric impact wrench. What is it? This cordless impact wrench tackles tough jobs like stubborn nuts and bolts on cars. Emphasize cars if the wrench targets mechanics. Forget wrestling with a clunky air compressor and hose. This bad boy frees you to work anywhere. Benefits: cordless? Check. No more tripping over hoses or lugging around a compressor. Electric power? Double check. This wrench is quieter than a traditional air wrench, saving your ears and sanity. Features. But wait, there's more. The Gisam boasts a brushless motor, known for its efficiency and durability. Plus, a variable speed trigger lets you control the power for any task. Ready to ditch the frustration and work smarter? The Gisam 520N.M brushless electric impact wrench is currently on sale on AliExpress for just $32.2, a steal from the original price of $57.41. Click the link in the description below to grab yours before this deal disappears. So, if you're tired of battling rusty bolts, this Gisam impact wrench might be your new best friend. Remember, research is key, but this one looks like a winner. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've used a cordless impact wrench and what you think. And don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews.